Open any browser, go to your any search engine and type Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 installation media. Click on download now. Save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After that, go to your save location. In my case, is in download section. So open it. Open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my case is my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.